Hey guys, Patricia Zars here, your Texas pool concierge. Now today, I wanted to talk with you guys about one of the really popular options when it comes to installing a swimming pool. And this option is one that can actually help you be able to enjoy your pool year-round. And what option is this? Well, today on Pool Talk with Trish, we're talking about the option of adding a hot tub to your swimming pool. So let's dive in. Okay, so with the fiberglass pools, we've actually got the option of adding a hot tub to any of the shells, but that's not what I'm going to talk with you about today. Today, I'm going to talk with you about the fiberglass pool shells that come with a hot tub already as part of the design. And if you want to have a hot tub with your pool, going with a shell that has the spa already built in, if you will, is going to not only be more efficient, but it's also going to be a lot less expensive. Everything from the pool shell itself, to the equipment, to the installation costs are going to be less than it would be to add a separate hot tub. And we have several designs in several different sizes that come with the spas already built in. So obviously when you've got a spa built into the pool shell, it is going to take up part of the space of the pool. So you can't go too small with a built-in pool and spa combo. But I do have an option that is in the small size. The Malibu, which is made by Latham, is a 12 by 26, has a really nice big sun shelf, tanning ledge, splash pad, if you will, then the pool area itself, and then a nice size spa. So all within your 26 feet, you have the splash pad, the pool, and the spa. Now when you go up to the medium-sized pools, the Laguna Deluxe is probably one of our most popular pools. It's a 14 by 30, also made by Latham, and it's a really nice curvy design. It also has a nice splash pad on the shallow end, but on the Laguna Deluxe, the spa is on the shallow end as well, and then the pool opens up to a really nice area to be able to swim in. If you want something a little bit larger, Latham also makes the Cancun Deluxe. It's actually a very similar shape to the Laguna Deluxe, but it's a 16 by 35, really good sized pool. And so on the shallow end, it's got a nice tanning ledge and the spa, and the tanning ledge and the spa are a little bit larger on the Cancun Deluxe than they are on the Laguna Deluxe, but at 16 by 35, you've got a ton of great swimming space, even with the spa built in. Imagine Pools, which is another brand that we carry, also makes a really nice freeform design called the Brilliant. And the Brilliant is available in 3 different sizes. Each one of them is 15.5 feet wide at its widest spot, and then you've got the option of choosing between a 30-foot, a 35-foot, or even a 40-foot long Brilliant. So you really do have some great options for it to fit in the space you have in your yard for a pool, but also some great options to really have a lot of nice swimming space. Now if you like a pool design that's a lot more straight lines, a lot more modern, Imagine does have an option called the Exquisite, which is a very nice rectangular pool. It's 15.5 feet wide, and again, it comes in options of 30 feet, 35 feet, or 40 feet in length. It's got a nice splash pad right as you enter, and it's got a square hot tub built in near the shallow end. But it's also really nice because it has a dedicated swim lane that's the full length of the pool. So you can literally swim from the shallow end to the deep end and back in a nice straight line. Latham also has a really nice 16 by 40 rectangular pool with a built-in spa and splash pad. It's called the Astoria. So no matter what size you're looking for, or whether you like straight lines or a freeform design, if you want the option to be able to have a spa built right into your pool and be able to use that spa year-round, these are some really great options. If you've got any questions at all, just reach out. I'm here to answer any and all of your pool questions. Can't wait to see you soon, and I can't wait to help you get swimming.